Hello friends, who has joined? Just ping me a hi who has joined. Hello. Is my voice audible? Can you hear me? Ready with the materials? I hope you guys are ready with the materials. Hi Ashvika. Hi Avni. Hi Sneha. All set with the materials? Uh, let's wait for a little more time. Till the time I'll explain. I'll just tell you what all do you need once more. Hi Dhanisha. Okay, so let me tell you what all you will need. You'll need these colors are preferred. If you don't have these color papers, now it's okay. Whatever you have, you can use. I am going to use this black for tuxedo. Okay. Then this white for the shirt. And this red for the tie. So I am going to use these three colors, but you can use any colors paper. So like this 3 colors we will need. If the shirt is a little pastel color, that will go, and take this coat. Black will be the best, otherwise you can take any dark color. Whatever suit you need. Hi Jonathan. So whatever color you need, whatever color you have and or you prefer, take that. Okay. And you'll need buttons. Okay, I am taking red tie, so I am choosing red buttons. 3 buttons you'll need, and scissor and ruler, pencil, eraser, glue. Hi Shania. Okay, so just arrange your materials, everything, and then we are good to go. If you have already gathered your all the required material, just give me a thumbs up so that we can start. So everybody is excited about Father's Day. Along with this card, what all you are planning to give? Just mention in the comments. I can't talk with you. Only these comments are the medium for me to talk with you guys. Okay, a bit introduction about myself. I am Anita Gupta from Creative Canvas, and this Creative Canvas is a place where all the art and craft related activities are carried out for beginners of all age group. And this has been going on from past 2 years. It's more than 2 years now that we are conducting this workshop. Previously we were doing all this in-person workshops, but now due to COVID we are conducting it virtually, so that learning should not stop and we should all carry on with our art and craft activities. They are the medium for us to remain stress-free in today's world. Hi, whoever has joined. Okay, let's begin. and previously I did this bouquet of flowers. If you have not if you have missed this, it is available on our YouTube channel. I'll post the link on my Facebook page and you can visit it and create it. And we are having more canvas painting workshops this Sunday and coming Sunday. For that also you can enroll. The details are available on our Facebook page. I love doing crafts. Oh, good. I'm going to use blue, white and red. It will go. Yeah, fine. Griva made a card by herself using her father's childhood pic. Oh, great. Just share the pic with me. Paper size I am going to mention now. If you have A4 size papers now, that will go. And if you don't know what is the size of A4 size paper, I am just going to show you everything right now. Okay, let's begin then. I hope you have all gathered your art materials, so we are good to go. First, let's take the tuxedo. So I am taking my black color. It is a A4 size sheet. If you don't have an A4 size sheet, just write down. If you forget, just write down 21 by 30 centimeter. Write on paper. Here also you can write somewhere lightly, then you can rub later if you don't have an extra paper. 21 by 30 centimeter. Big sheets are necessary. Yeah, at least this much size we need. Otherwise the card will become very small. Okay, so 21 by 30 centimeter we will be taking this tuxedo black color. So just mark 21 by 30 centimeter. If it's not an A4 size paper, just take a ruler and see mine is this 30 centimeter and this side it is 21. Okay, so you just mark it and cut it. We should have like this a rectangle of 21 by 30. 21 by 30 centimeter. Mine is cut and ready, so I am not cutting it. And if you have A4 size sheet, you can use directly that A4 size sheet. This is the approximate measurement of an A4 size sheet only. Okay. So just if you are ready with the cutting, just give me a thumbs up. We'll go further. Hi Ikshita. Hi Sunita ma'am. Hi Jennifer sir. No, Jennifer ma'am. Sorry. Please wait. Yeah. I'm waiting. For all those who have not cut it, just cut. I am waiting. And this is our page on Instagram, Creative Canvas In, and on Facebook you have to search by the username Creative Canvas for You. But I think Facebook you are here only, so you know what is my page, and this is my contact number. Okay, if done, just give hands up. Okay, Avni has given me a hands up. Jennifer has given me done. How about Ashwika, Zaina, and others? Ikshita. Few of the names I know. So, Shania, Jonathan. Levine, Danisha. Okay, Danisha. Sorry, yeah, if you I cannot remember your names because here few of my students are there, so I know their names. Okay, done. Done. Give me a thumbs up fast. 3-4 thumbs ups I have already got. So we'll move ahead. How much centimeter once again, please? It is 21 by 30 centimeter. Hi Himani. 21 by 30 centimeter. Okay, Zana, done. Okay, Parinita has mentioned it. Thank you, ma'am. Sneha, done. Okay. So lots of done we have got. So let's move further. Now what you have to do is take another sheet that is also A4 size also will work, and if you don't have an A4 size you can cut same 21 by 30 centimeter one more sheet, which we will, no, not 21 by 30, we will have it little small. Why we want it little small? Because we want this to go inside. इसके अंदर we will be placing this as a card which will get open and it will serve as our shirt. Okay, so we will make it little lesser in size. I'll tell you how much. Take it 28 by 28 by 20 centimeters. Okay, so just cut 28 by 20 centimeter. I am writing it on a paper so that you can see. First one was how much 21 by 30. Black wala is 21 by 30 centimeter, and now this white is 20 by 28, okay, centimeter. So just cut this also with the same measurement that I have mentioned. Whichever color you are going to use for the shirt, that measurement this is. Okay, I am going to use white, so I am writing it white. And just give me a thumbs up once the cutting is done. Okay, mine is ready. So what you have to do is just fold it from the middle and keep it aside. This we will be using as our shirt. Okay, apni ऐसे done. My cutting is done. Okay, good. Vaishali. Okay, so we will be using this as a shirt and this as a suit. What we have to do now is just we will be keeping it here inside, but just don't keep it randomly. I'll show you how to keep it inside. You have to first take middle, okay, like this. You don't fold, huh? I am showing you little bit how it will be different. थोड़ा सा this side ना you take a little ahead, थोड़ा सा आगे लेना है, okay, understood? So that portion will come as a button वाला जो portion होता है ना, that will be coming little ahead. That you'll understood later. आप अभी ये follow करो, that you take it little ahead. जितना ये like not half centimeter but little bit more than half centimeter, okay, and fold it now. थोड़ा सा हाफ सेंटीमीटर से ज्यादा है, एंड नाउ फोल्ड इट फ्रॉम द मिडल. एकदम टाइट नहीं फोल्ड करो. आई हैव फोल्डेड इट लेस बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट दैट थिंग. वी जस्ट वांट इट टू प्लेस अवर दिस सेंटर. वाइट जो हमें रखना है ना, उसके लिए है वो. ओके, वाइट भी हाउ वी विल बी प्लेसिंग इसका सेंटर. सो यू हैव टू फोल्ड लिटिल एंड चेक कि वेयर इज इट सेंटर. इट सेंटर इज हियर. सो हियर इसका सेंटर और इसका सेंटर. गेटिंग? कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड गाइज? ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन. वंस मोर आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट. Black color paper we have to fold, but we have to take one part greater and one part smaller, which will be like more than a half inch, but not fully 1 inch also. Okay, so उसको fold किया, but just for the sake of our middle we are folding it. We don't require this fold, so हम इसे tightly नहीं fold करेंगे. We just want it for our middle of this. और इसको भी मैंने यहां से फोल्ड किया है टू टेक द सेंटर, दिस सेंटर एंड दिस ब्लैक का सेंटर. दैट विल बी दिस कार्ड का प्लेसमेंट ऑन अवर सूट. ओके, गॉट इट? एंड देन वी विल फोल्ड लिटिल फ्रॉम दिस साइड. मीन्स लिटिल नहीं, ये जो ये वाइट पार्ट है ना, दैट मच वी विल फोल्ड इट. Guys, if you are not understanding anything, just let me know. I'll explain you again. And from this side also, we'll fold it. अभी ये थोड़ा सा ऊपर आएगा. It will not be like ऐसे सेंटर में दोनों ऐसे सेम नहीं रहेंगे. This will come little on top of it. That we want. That we have purposely done. Okay? So like this. It will be. This will come inside. जो आराम से ऐसे can't understand. I didn't understand white fold. Okay, I'll explain again. See, this white ka you have to just take a middle, or I'll tell you the marking also if you want. See how much it is. This is 14 centimeters. So 7. Just mark with a pencil 7. Okay, 7 centimeter, or 7 centimeter will be the center of this. This is our 30, right? तो 30 का मिडल कितना है? 15. देखो वो that I was showing you very random. Now I am showing you with the scale, marking with the scale. So 15 is our center. Okay, and this 7, ये 7 और ये 15 वी शुड प्लेस ऐसे एक दूसरे के ऊपर होना चाहिए. वाई वी वॉन्ट दिस? टू गेट द सेंटर ऑफ दिस ब्लैक कार्ड. ये हमारा अंदर का सेंटर में रहेगा. ओके, गॉट इट? जस्ट गिव मी थम्स अप इफ यू गॉट इट. White paper has to be folded twice. नहीं. We don't want it to fold twice. That I was showing you to just show the middle. Okay? ये एक ही बार ऐसे खुलेगा. Only once. So this 7 का center and this 15 of this black is the center. White का center is 7 and black का center is 15. Okay, we want these two centers to overlap each other, and once they overlap, just fold it from right side and fold it from left side, so that we get a card like this, जिसमें से ऐसे we can pull out. इतना ऐसे flexible होना चाहिए, not that एकदम tight fold कर दो and this card will not come. I hope now everybody understood, because now I have explained with the measurements. Okay. So if you are done till this step, just give thumbs up. Okay, we'll keep this aside now and we'll move to our making our collar. You have to take whatever color shirt you have, that paper, and that size will be 6 by 15. I am mentioning it here. Okay, I'll mention on this paper only so that you can see. This is our collar. See, collar's measurement is 6 by 15 centimeter. Okay. So we will mark 15 centimeter by 6 centimeter. Just mark on your papers also 6 by 15. Then we have to cut this. I hope this much is clear. Collar size and cutting. New sheet, yes. That we have kept it aside. This we have kept it aside. We are taking this new sheet, which will be matching to your shirt ka color, same sheet color. Collar. If you want to make a different collar, nowadays there is a fashion that you can say again. You can take this collar. यहाँ पे हम collar बनाने वाले हैं. You can take a different color if you want that your dad should look more stylish and fashionable. If he is, then you can add a different color. You can add the texture wala paper also, if you wish. But as I am making a professional wala suit, so I am taking a white and on that white collar only. Okay. If you want your dad to look cool and smart in office, so you can add a different colored collar also. See, this was little bit, what I say, teda. So I have made it proper. Now I am cutting how much? 6 by 15. Everybody understood? This will be the collar. Now what we have to do, this collar is 15, right? So just mark. अच्छा, cut हो गया क्या? Just give me thumbs up if it is cut, then we'll move further. Otherwise I'll keep rushing and you will not follow. I don't want to do that. I want you guys to make it along with me. Your card should be ready with me. So just give thumbs up. Smita Pradeep. Please repeat it again once. Which one you want me to repeat? Which part you want me to repeat? Collar? Himani, just tell me which one you want me to repeat. Okay, Avni done, Uday done. Okay guys, if you are not able to follow any of this part this video I'll be uploading on my YouTube channel. There also you can go and check it. Whatever you have missed, that you can go ahead and check it. Okay, let's move further. I guess everyone is done. So now this way will mark 5 centimeter. Like this, it will be divided in 3 parts. और यहाँ ऊपर से how much? 5 centimeter you mark. See, I'll show you why we are marking this. This and this 5. So, why I have made this 3 portions of 5 centimeter? Because I'll be cutting this one. ये यहाँ से ऐसे कट होगा 5. ये यहाँ से ऐसे कट होगा 5. And this will be the portion which we will stick on our shirt. Okay? यहाँ पे we will apply glue. We will apply glue. Okay? So we'll cut this side. We'll cut this side. Here we are going to apply glue. And now the rest half we जो remaining paper है ना 5 centimeter का, that we will fold it. Okay? This top portion we have folded and this we have marked. We are going to cut this side and this side. Got it? देखो 5 5 5 और यहाँ से ऊपर से मैंने लिया था 5 सेंटीमीटर. Okay? So this is 1 centimeter strip which I have divided in 5 5 5. This portion we will cut. This portion we will cut. This one we are going to glue. So let's cut. Okay, so this way it should be. Now we have to apply glue here. Take this our white shirt wala, whatever color you have, and just we have to stick it exactly in the middle. जहाँ 7 marking किया है ना, there your this इसका भी middle होना चाहिए. If you don't know इसका middle क्या होगा, it will be 2.5. I'll mark it so that you get exact middle. नहीं तो whatever I was explaining on the basis of approximity, I guess 2 kids were not able to follow. So 2.5 that we will stick where जहाँ पे हमने 7 mark किया था. Okay? 2.5 of what? ये वाला portion जहाँ glue लिखा है. So this and this will be the exact center. तो आपका कॉलर ऐसे नहीं कि इधर होगा. शर्ट में कॉलर दिस साइड या दिस साइड नहीं रहता. इट हैज टू बी इन सेंटर. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई वी विल मार्क इट लाइक दिस. अप्लाई ग्लू हियर एंड स्टिक इट. जस्ट अप्लाई लिटिल ग्लू. डोंट अप्लाई टू मच. I have seen kids who apply too much glue and then their work becomes shabby because of that. See, exactly on 7 I am placing my 2.5 and just press it so that it sticks properly. Okay guys, one more thing. This you have to stick on the top wala. Don't stick it on the bottom wala. Okay? कार्ड का जो ओपनिंग पार्ट है वहां स्टिक करो. Yeah, the collar. Don't stick it on this inside part. We want it to be stuck here. Okay? Now, once this is done, we'll place it here on our suit and just see how I am going to fold. Everybody just see here first. This is important how you have to fold. ये दोनों को एक दूसरे से टच करना है. This both the corners. Can you see? Yeah. I'll go slow. I'll explain you this again. But this collar part I am showing. और ऐसे फोल्ड कर देना है. Getting collar? हाँ? Okay. So इफ यू वांट कि ये कॉलर भी ऐसे, देखो यहाँ पे ऐसे ओपन दिख रही है ना, लाइक 2 पोर्शंस आर विजिबल, तो यहाँ थोड़ा ग्लू अप्लाई कर दो सो दैट विल ऑल्सो लुक नीट. I'll wait after I am done with the collar. Okay, you can complete it, and if you have any doubt you can ask also. Okay, I have applied glue so that it looks neat. नहीं तो वो खुला खुला सा collar, it was not looking nice. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask. I am just keeping it here, placing my this because it's again and again opening now. थोड़ा सा उसे प्रेस करेंगे तो मे बी इट डजंट ओपन. Once you are done with the collar, just let me know. I hope everyone is following it. If any doubt, just please ask. I cannot see you guys, okay? So whatever you will mention in the comments, that only I will get to know. Where to stick collar, which part? Okay, you have to stick collar in the card. Okay, ऐसे ओपन करते हैं ना. Oops, card has got stuck. Like this, when we open this, तो ऊपर वाला जो पोर्शन है, the one that we open, there यहाँ अंदर स्टिक करना है. ओके, गॉट इट. एंड हाउ, जहां पे हमने वो 7 मार्क किया था ना, टू गेट द सेंटर ऑफ दिस एंड दिस, ये इसका सेम प्लेस. 7 इज द सेंटर ऑफ दिस वाइट कार्ड शर्ट, यू कैन से नाउ. और वहां पे उसका 2.5, जो 2.5 था ना, हमने वो 5, वी हैव कट दिस 5 सेंटीमीटर्स, सो उसका हाफ इज 2.5 एंड 7 शुड मैच एंड वी विल स्टिक इट इनसाइड दिस. गॉट इट? and then once you stick, we have to fold it where both the sides will make a V shape, and यहाँ से फिर प्रेस कर देना है. Okay, give me thumbs up once done. Okay, Jennifer done. Avni done. Who else? After that we will do tie. I will be taking this red color for that. Just give me thumbs up fast if this many steps are complete so that we can move ahead. At least I need 5 thumbs ups. 1, 2, 3. Ashwika done. Okay, 3 only I have got till 4. And 1 more I need. Okay, so we have got 5 thumbs up. Let's move ahead. Now this tie. How much is the tie ka measurement that I am writing here? Tie is 13 by 13 centimeter. Okay, 13 by 13. It will be a square shape, 13 by 13 centimeter. So let's mark 13 by 13. Which color tie you are taking now, that paper you take. I am taking this red color. So I am showing you on red color. If you want the tie to be stylish, now you can take any pattern वाला paper also. जिसमें डिजाइन होता है ना, that design paper also you can take. It depends on you that how you guys want to gift your dad, and if he's a stylish guy then it will suit him. If he's a simple guy, you better know your dad. So if he's a simple who likes simplicity, elegance, then he will like normal plain papers. So the choice is according to your dad's taste, okay? Not according to what I am showing. You are making this yourself, na? So it has to be have the personal touch. It will show that how much you know your dad. He likes funky things or he likes simple sober things. So I have marked 13 by 13 centimeter. And now I am cutting this square. You also mark it and cut. See, if small kids, this tie is only the thing which has little bit extra, means if you follow it properly you will be able to do, otherwise थोड़ा सा tricky है इसमें. So you have to see properly, and I'll wait for you guys. So first you see whatever work you are doing, you just stop that, first see properly each step, because it will be difficult to follow if you do not see it step by step. Okay, ready with 13 by 13, or you want me to wait first and you will do along with me? Okay, you do along with me. 13 by 13 कट हो गया तो जल्दी thumbs up दो. Sunita ma'am, it's written here, tie 13 by 13. All the measurements are mentioned here. This black is my tuxedo का color, as white is my shirt का color, collar also shirt's collar, shirt का collar, and this is tie. 13 by 13 ready? Fast, fast, fast. Give me thumbs up if ready. Okay, I have got quite a bit of thumbs up, so let's move now. First step, I'm showing you very slowly, okay? Just follow it along with me. First, fold it into half. This much is clear. Step number 1 is fold it into half. Okay? This much done. Then second step is fold it diagonally. Diagonally क्या होता है? इस corner से opposite corner तक. If small kids don't know, this is diagonally. So just fold it. Step number 2 is fold it diagonally. See to it कि दोनों corners बराबर एक के ऊपर एक हो. See like this. यहाँ पे एकदम अच्छे से मिलना चाहिए. योर पेपर शुड बी ऑन टॉप ऑफ ईच अदर. ऐसा नहीं कि आगे पीछे हो रहा है. सो हियर आई हैव मेड इट प्रॉपरली. हियर ऑल्सो आई मेक इट एग्जैक्टली ऑन टॉप ऑफ ईच अदर बोथ द कॉर्नर्स. देखो अभी मेरे दोनों कॉर्नर्स आई हैव मेड. नाउ आई प्लेस इट ऑन टेबल एंड देन just fold it, so it will come proper on top of each other and not little bit shaky. So this is the step number 2 to fold it diagonally. And now step number 3 is again fold the other side diagonally, same way. Okay, corners first, match them properly. ओके ऐसे प्रॉपरली मैच हो गए ना तो योर परफेक्शन विल कम इन द टाई. एंड देन आफ्टर दे आर मैच कीप इट ऑन टेबल एंड जस्ट मार्क इट. मार्क यानी प्रेस इट. ओके, सो स्टेप नंबर 3 ऑल्सो डायगोनल फोल्ड. टिल नाउ वी हैव डन 3 folds. मिडल फोल्ड, diagonal fold second step, and again one more diagonal fold. Done this much, 3 folds we have done till now. Done. Then fourth step is take one corner. यहाँ पे जो diagonal line है ना, उस you can take this diagonal or this diagonal, whichever diagonal you want to take, और उसका कॉर्नर लेकर और सेंटर में जहां पे ये सबका सेंटर है ना, till that place you bring it and then fold. Okay, same way this side also. Take this corner and bring it to the center and fold. So like this hexagon shape we will get. This is our first, second, third, fourth, fifth step. Okay, fourth and fifth step. Okay, and those kids who cannot follow these steps, what you can do, you just take one paper. I am showing this only for those who cannot do. Okay, those who can do, just make it with me. आप एक पेपर लेना. ओके, विच एवर कलर टाई यू नीड, उसमें जस्ट मेक द शेप ऑफ अ टाई You can make it with a scale. I am doing it with the hands. ऐसे टाई का शेप दे दो. और इसको कट करके यूज इट. ओके, दिस आई एम शोइंग फॉर द स्मॉलर किड्स जिस who will not be able to do this type. Okay, done this much. सबका hexagon तक हो गया. Everybody is completed. Then I'll move further. Now you have to fold it again. जहां से हमने वो पहला वाला फोल्ड किया था ना, सेम प्लेस से वन मोर फोल्ड टिल द मिडल. ये मिडल जो अपना डायगोनल था ना वहां तक. अगेन बोथ द साइड्स वी हैव टू फोल्ड इट टिल द मिडल. सी लाइक दिस. गॉट इट. ये जो हमने यहाँ पे डायगोनल फोल्ड किया था उधर से अंदर लिया है फ्रॉम वन साइड एंड फ्रॉम द सेकेंड साइड. सो लाइक दिस. अगेन वी विल गेट अ hexagon shape only, but this time it is more in length. In this what ऐसे tie का standing size में it will come. Okay, done this much. This is our 7th and 8th step. Done. Then I'll show further. I'm going very slow because it's little tricky. हो गया? Everybody completed? Give me a thumbs up so I'll come to know. Okay, done. 2, 3 dones I have got. Okay, Ashwika is also done. Now this corner na, take any side. It's if you want to take this or that doesn't matter. और उसको fold it inside. Okay, so this will be your top portion. tie का top portion बन जाएगा and this will be your bottom portion. See, this is a very simple tie. अगर किसी को इसके आगे के steps भी नहीं आए ना, you can follow this simple tie and this also you can stick. But if you want it to be proper tie का, knot types, then I am showing you further that you just see how we have to do. Okay, ये fold हो गया. This one. Then what you have to do, just give me thumbs up इतना हो गया हो तो. Okay, this is a small step only, so हो ही गया होगा सबका. Now you just turn this. Okay, टर्न किया सबने. दिस विल बी अवर टॉप साइड. ओके, सो टर्न इट दैट साइड एंड देन यू हैव टू फोल्ड फ्रॉम हियर. ये देखो, लाइक दिस यू हैव टू फोल्ड. इस टाई को हमने यहां से फोल्ड किया एंड देन वन मोर फोल्ड वी विल नीड. See this, it will be little zigzag जैसा रहेगा. ऐसा it will be यहाँ पे ना 1 सेंटीमीटर जितना डिस्टेंस समझो. ओके, पहले हमने ऐसे फोल्ड किया. we have folded it. ये डिस्टेंस कितना है? if you want in measurements I can measure for you. let me check. it's 4 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, 4 सेंटीमीटर पे आपको एक फोल्ड करना है एंड 1 on 3 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, यहां से ऊपर से 3 सेंटीमीटर ले लो. सो 1 विल बी इनसाइड एंड द अदर विल बी आउटसाइड. जो 4 वाला है वो अंदर की तरफ होगा, 3 वाला है वो बाहर की तरफ होगा. सो विल गेट इट लाइक दिस. ओके, If this was done, just let me know. Just give me a thumbs up. Now turn this the other side, and we want it to fold little more. इसको हमें थोड़ी सी स्लांटिंग टाई बनानी है. सी वी डोंट वांट अ स्ट्रेट टाई ना, थोड़ी सी स्लांटिंग होनी चाहिए. सो टर्न इट ऑन द अदर साइड और एकदम स्लाइटली यू हैव टू फोल्ड फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड्स. कैसे फोल्ड करना है, ये यहां से लेकर एंड दिस पार्ट यू कैन सी राइट, ये पार्ट से लेकर ये पार्ट एंड वेरी लिटिल दिस वन साइड आई हैव फोल्डेड. नाउ द अदर साइड ऑल्सो यू हैव टू डू सेम. ठीक है. सो लाइक दिस इट विल बी ऑन द टॉप साइड और पीछे ऐसा रहेगा. पीछे का समझा? एवरीबडी अंडरस्टूड? आई हैव टर्न्ड इट आउट बैक साइड. इतना फ्रंट तक तो समझ गया होगा सबको. ओके. सो देन आई हैव टर्न्ड इट बैक साइड और इसको ऐसे फोल्ड किया है यहां से यहां तक और यहां टॉप से इस कॉर्नर तक, दिस टाई का एंड, सो दैट वी गेट दिस लांटी. कैसे टाई कैसी होती है? फ्रॉम टॉप इट इज लिटिल बिट थिन and from bottom it goes little slanted and becomes thick. Okay. After that what you do, you take this portion, ये वाला जो दिख रहा है ना, that portion you take and उसको आपको थोड़ा सा outside लेना है. ये ऊपर वाला that you will take little outside and fold. Please repeat zigzag steps. Okay, zigzag you want. Those who have completed, just do this much. I'll show you zigzag say. Okay. ये इस तरह से आएगा आपका. So this is your tie. इस तरह से आपकी टाई आएगी. Okay, from zigzag you want me to show. See, यहाँ पे first we have turned it to the front side of the tie. फिर 4 cm and 3 cm you mark. First we have folded it inside, then we have folded it outside. 4 cm पे अंदर गया है, 3 cm पे बाहर आया है. ओके. Then after that you turn this. टर्न करने के बाद you have to mark from here till here. ऐसे फोल्ड करके and just press it from top to the corner of the tie. ये जो यहाँ तक है ना, यहाँ तक आपको इसको फोल्ड करते जाना है. After that you turn it to the front side और जो ये ऊपर का पोर्शन है उसमें यहाँ पे जो हमने फोल्ड किया था ना उसमें से थोड़ा सा निकालना है. दिस ट्राइंगल पार्ट वी हैव टू टेक इट आउट एंड प्रेस. दैट सेम वे ट्राइंगल पार्ट यू हैव टू टेक आउट एंड प्रेस. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज सेइंग कि इट्स लिटिल बिट ट्रिकी बट नॉट डिफिकल्ट. मैनी किड्स if they are little bigger they will be able to follow it. If a little smaller, so for smaller kids I have said what you do, take a paper, make a tie shape and cut it, that's it. या तो फिर if you are not able to follow even this ना, this part folding वाला zigzag से, then you can use that simple tie also. जो starting में दिखाया था ना मैंने, that much without this fold, उसमें बस यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ये कर दो, slanting कर दो उसको. Okay, that much tie also you can use. My tie is done nicely. Good. Who are able to get this? Good. Okay. I have explained it slowly so that you can follow. And This video will be uploaded on YouTube, so you can go and check there again and just rewind and see. Okay, so this tie part is also done. Now I guess everything is ready. We have to do sticking part. So let's bring our parts. These 3 parts we have prepared. One is suit, other is shirt, and this is tie. Now what you have to do with this ना, you have to, अच्छा इसमें भी I'll mark you and show कि कहाँ तक fold करना है. Take 6 centimeters, okay? यहाँ एक नीचे की साइड से take 6 centimeters and mark it. 6 centimeters लिया and then I'll just open this much portion till the 6 centimeter and press it. Can you see? Easy, right? 6 centimeter the mark करके fold this side. This will come. जो तुम्हारा बड़ा वाला side है ना, the one which is coming on top of the other. ये देखो, this is the thing that I was telling you why we need one short and one small. वो जो ½ सेंटीमीटर से ज्यादा पोर्शन हमने छोड़ा था ना, so that it comes on top of this like this, where we can stick our buttons. So this side we have folded. Now fold the other side. Other side कितना fold करोगे? Don't fold it 6. उसको थोड़ा सा कम कर दो. I guess 7. Let me check. 7 centimeter will be fine, I guess. 7 I have marked. And then okay, 7 is fine. So you can go with 7. So like this it will come. Now we have to place our tie here, okay, inside. This will stick it, okay? Is this clear? One second, I missed some comments. What happened? Which part to take out? Which part to take out? I am not getting your question. Upper one, once again. That triangle one. अच्छा ये वाला? Okay, okay. This one जो ऊपर रहता है ना, see, mine was like this. तो आप लोगों का भी ऐसा होगा. Like this. सीधा होगा वो, okay? You can see, right? तो this is straight. What we will do, जो ये एक्स्ट्रा पोर्शन है ना पीछे, that we will just take out. तो ये थोड़ा सा slanted बन जाएगा. Got it? Okay, and this one 6 सेंटीमीटर पे मार्क करना है and triangle शेप में फोल्ड करना है. This 7 सेंटीमीटर पे मार्क करना है and triangle शेप में फोल्ड करना है. अगर ऐसा लग रहा है कि this is coming too much out, but it gives effect. थोड़ा सा इसको अंदर की तरफ भी रख सकते हैं. My is coming little out. Okay, this is fine. So this is our coat and now we will just stick this tie यहाँ पे अंदर. Okay, 7 सेंटीमीटर जहाँ मार्क किया है, there we will stick our tie. Just apply Fevicol. Okay, and if you don't want this collars also to go like that, then stick them also. it will take little time for drying. Just hold it. Okay, so this is your, here inside you write your wishes, you decorate it as per your wish. Okay, यहाँ पे you can do decoration as per your wish and write whatever wishes you want to give it to your dad. You can stick here hearts. ऐसे जो red color का paper लिया था, you can cut heart shape from it, stick little bit hearts floating, and then you can make it look like balloon. I'll show you one. Okay. See, I have a few hearts already cut. So ऐसे just cut some hearts. See, it depends on your creativity. I am just showing you whatever that I have. फिर उसमें यहाँ पे ऐसे रिबन जैसा रखो बलून और उसको ऐसे floating. So this will give you one effect, as if that heart-shaped balloons are flowing and lots of love you are sending. Okay, so this way you can do one way, others you can decorate as per your wish. Then we will stick now 3 buttons that you have to stick here, यहाँ पे. Okay, so let me just apply Fevicol. Buttons will give look to your tuxedo. See, can you see? So we are ready with our Father's Day card. Now this is your choice. Okay, if you wish that this shirt should not be a separate part, okay, ऐसे शर्ट निकलना नहीं चाहिए, then what you do, you go ahead and stick this back portion. Okay, यहाँ फेविकॉल अप्लाई करके stick it inside. So I leave it up to you whether you want एक शर्ट की तरह greeting card or a complete set only, so that if you want कि ये पूरा इसके ऊपर ऐसे अटैच ही रहे, नॉट सेपरेट, तो स्टिक इट एंड जस्ट गिफ्ट इट. ओके, आई होप एवरीबडी हैज फॉलोड द स्टेप एंड यू आर रेडी विद योर दिस tuxedo greeting card, and you'll write some nice sweet messages for your dad. Okay, dads do lot of hard work for us, so they deserve something like this from kids. They will appreciate if you have made it something with your hands, because right now you cannot go outside and get gifts, and it's always handmade is always close to parents' heart. Ask me, my daughter gives me whatever handmade, I just love it, because she must have taken out time, she must have taken out her thoughts, and inside messages na, they are more precious than whatever is made. Whatever you write here na, that matters more. As a parent, I'm telling you, whatever you write inside matters more than what is outside. Okay, just don't forget to send me the pictures. Just for people who are on Facebook, just DM me on my this page, message me, send me pics there. And those who are in my WhatsApp group, those whom I know personally, just message me in WhatsApp group. Thank you guys, Jennifer, Pradeep. I hope you all enjoyed making this tuxedo greeting card, and your dad will be very happy to receive such a card from you. If you have any doubts, you can still ask me. I am here to answer. कोई स्टेप अभी भी नहीं समझा हो तो I am so happy, but I can't send this to my dad, so I'll give it to my daughter to gift it to her dad. Please show how to fold tuxedo. Okay, how to fold tuxedo. देखो, this you have to mark. ये जो बड़ा वाला पोर्शन था ना, the bigger portion, that you have to mark 6 centimeters, and then from here to top, just you have to make a triangle जैसा shape, and the other side 7 centimeter you mark. Okay, this is 7 centimeter. From here to top again same triangle will come. ये इस तरह से both the sides it will come. Okay, I hope you got it. I think I love it by sticking it. मुझे ऐसा separate shirt I find it very plain, so I'll just stick this also. I'll glue the back side of this card to the suit. It's your choice, guys. However you wish, you can do. Okay, so I have stuck it, and now it's ready. Now it will not keep coming out. And this as this paper was roundly folded na, so it's like not staying here, but if you just keep it under the bed for one night or one day na, it will be perfect. एकदम ऐसे like pressed, जैसे प्रेस करके आता है ना हमारा सूट लॉन्ड्री से, it will look like that. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this session. Now I am flipping the camera. Hi, so this is your teacher if you don't know me personally. I am Anita Gupta from Creative Canvas, and various workshops are conducted at my place, but now we have gone online due to lockdown, so that people from all the parts of country or world can take advantage of it. Share this with your friends and family. Facebook page, I have my Facebook page, Instagram, as well as YouTube channel. Whatever I have taken previous 4 live workshops that are also available on my YouTube channel. One in the beginning I showed you this card, this we did last time. Okay, that is also available on my YouTube channel. Then we did one Zendoodle bookmark, that is also available, and one very nice thing also, you can give that also. It's a mobile holder, smartphone holder. I'll show you how it looks. I have one. Okay, see, this is a mobile holder. Here you can place your mobile, and you can use it for keeping your mobiles in vertical or standing position. You can make it with the A4 size sheet. This video is also uploaded, and one more is there, but that has a little disadvantage that it can hold only in the landscape mode. Your mobile cannot stay in the standing position. This can hold in both the positions. So both the videos are there on my channel. This also you can gift your dad, and this you can use for your studies. Nowadays online studies are going, so you can use this. keep it on your table. Just place your phone like this. I'm placing it. See, I am hands free now. I'm showing you live demo. I'm hands free now. My mobile is on that holder, so you can use it and you can gift it to your dad also, your mom also. Whoever wants to be hands free, you can gift them. I have seen my one student, he has gifted all his family members, grandmom, granddad, father, mother, everyone. He has made 4, 5, 6 and he has gifted, and he uses himself also. This is like very convenient nowadays. Everything is happening virtually. The time has changed, so this is a very good gift to give along with the tuxedo. So go ahead and check it on my YouTube channel. I'll be posting you this. This is available already on my Facebook page, but I'll be posting it again. Along with this tuxedo, I'll be posting the YouTube channel ka link. Okay? Chalo, bye bye. Hope you guys enjoy. My channel name is Creative Canvas. Okay? But there are lots of, when we search, there are lots of creative canvases come. So I'll post the link on this Facebook page. You can click on that and just subscribe it and share it with your friends and family. If you like them to make this tuxedo card, or if you want them to make that mobile holder and make use of it, they are the best gift you can give in today's time. Father's Day is coming, so that is for fathers, and even this mobile holder is a very good gift. Okay, chalo, bye, see ya. It was fun teaching you guys. You made it interactive session by asking questions, by asking your doubts. I hope I showed you everything step by step and cleared your doubt. In case you still are not able to follow any step, this video will be available on my YouTube channel. I'll be uploading it soon on my YouTube channel, so you can go ahead and check it there. Chalo, bye bye, see ya.